Yo, what is up guys? It is your boy Pico and today I will be doing the 2-time spicy ramen noodle challenge while I cut hair. So let's get right to it. Oh. We're gonna get right to this. The whole goal is I eat this whole thing without drinking any water. So I cut his hair.
I'm gonna get a bite.
You wanna bite?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You feel sweaty?
Just a little bit.
That's a lot. That's not a lot.
That's a lot.
No. Oh, is it temperature hot? It's hot.
It's hot.
Damn it.
Yeah, all of it inside the video.
Low drop fade.
Yeah.
As usual.
Hot, bro.
Alright, so now I just set in his first guideline, first ball guideline. And I'm gonna go one more. Keep going. I'm not done.
Oh my god.
Alright, so I'm gonna take off some bulk using the 3 guard. Go focus. I'm sweating, look. Now with no guard and the lever open, I'm gonna go about an inch up. First, I'm gonna take another scoop. Damn.
Oh my god.
Wish that you were me, cause you're not cool. Yeah, looking like a fool, like a dog barking at the moon. Cause I'm shining, like look at these diamonds.
Yeah.
Like look at these diamonds.
Alright, so I'm sweating buckets already. Still going ham. Here we go, son.
Oh my god.
Ah, the edit.
Fuck these niggas cause they always being extra. All these diamonds on me, I don't feel no pressure. Money coming in like she tried to take a break, but I already left.
Now with the 1 guard open, I'm gonna go about another inch. But still got a lot more to go.
There's some hair in there too.
No feelings involved, no feelings involved. Put that on my dog.
Oh, you all of it? Oh, I don't even know.
Do all of it.
I'm dying.
Oh. There's like some hair in that. Ew, that's gross. That's nasty.
I'm dying, bro. Chill out.
Oh. Okay, all of it.
Man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long.
I was sweating like crazy. I don't know if the camera can see it. Now with the 2 guard, I'm gonna go all the way up to the top. Alright, so now we're gonna do a hairline. I'm just prepping my hairline by combing it down. And then I'm gonna put hairspray on it. So So by now all the spice kind of went away. I'm still sweating though. It's okay.
Touching my gun, got no host. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my
So now we're gonna do his hairline with the straight razor. Use shave gel, 245.
You want me cause I got the dope. That's that girl right on my freak if he cold. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Damn, I just started it. Man, I just started it. Oh my God, please do not bother me. Don't got enough just to order me. I'm on that tree like an ottoman. Money so long like a cardigan. You lied to me, wasn't sorry then. On the weekend you was partying. It was you, me, it was targeting. It was you, me, it was targeting. Jump in the Porsche, my target. Jump in the line, I ain't parking it. Ice is so cold, I snowboarding it. Go to my show, they applaud me in. She called my phone with emergency. She called my phone with that urgency.